Hello, friends. I am Sandeep Singh, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Technical Education. In this video, we are going to understand blockchain with real life examples. When you go to vote in the election, and when you press the button for your favorite party on the EVM electronic voting machine, is any guarantee that your vote is actually being registered or your vote is actually counted? Or is there any scam will not take place? For this, we are totally depend upon a central agency, the election commission. Basically, we have to blindly trust the election commission that the EVM will work properly for our votes to be counted properly. But imagine this, if we could have guarantee this by ourselves and not by any central agency like election commission or any third party was required, if we could verify our own vote without having trust on anyone else that our vote has indeed been counted. Do you know that such system can be built by using blockchain technology? Yes, it is the same technology on which Bitcoin is based. Some people believe that this technology can change the entire voting system, and let's understand how can this be possible. How does the blockchain technology work? So first we'll understand what is blockchain. Blockchain is basically a technique to store information, to store the data in a decentralized manner. Decentralized means that there will be no central authority to control the entire data and information. Let's take the RBI example of rupees 500, which is printed by RBI, and RBI guarantees that it values is rupees 500, neither rupees 501 or nor rupees 502. It even written on the note that RBI guarantees it. So RBI is basically a central authority controlling all the Indian rupees note around the world. RBI can change the value of notes if it wants to, can increase the note production or decrease it. But on the other hand, currencies like Bitcoin are decentralized. There are no central agencies and authorities controlling Bitcoin. It is possible because Bitcoin is based on blockchain, and blockchain is the technology that actually makes Bitcoin decentralized. There can be many ways to store information. Writing down something on paper is a way to store information. Writing some on an Excel file on the computer is a way to store information. On an Excel file, your information is structured in the form of table. Similarly, in the block, the information is structured in the form of blocks. Each block is made up of three things. First, any data or information you store in the block. Second, each block has its fingerprint known as hash. This is the way to uniquely identify a block among other blocks. Every block has its own fingerprint, and third, each of these blocks stores the fingerprint of the block before it. Any information you put in it will be stored in the block. This is how all the blocks are linked with each other, and the most unique thing about this is that if you want to change the data in a block or you try to tamper the data, fingerprint or the hash of the block will change. And if the hash of one block is changed, the hash of next block will also change. And the next, and eventually the entire blockchain will destroy. For this reason, it is next to impossible to alter or tamper with the data in a blockchain, because once a block is defined, it will become a part of the blockchain, and it can be altered after that. The second major reason for blockchain is being secured is decentralization. You will not find a block stored in only one computer. Blockchain are stored in a network of different computers. All the computers around the world belonging to the participant of the blockchain and will have one copy of the blockchain instead of one central authority. It is managed and run by a network of computers collectively. The people who are connected to the blockchain through their computers and those who allow the blockchain to run on their computers, they are known as nodes. Some nodes among them are miners. Whenever new data is added to the blockchain, it is the work of miner to verify it, whether the person who is adding data has done properly or not, or whether it is an attempt of tampering the block. All the miners verify and record each process. Any computer connected to this network can see the data which is added to the blockchain. There is no need of any third party, no need of any central authority. You too can connect your computer to the network and verify this. This is why I said that the election process can be connected in the manner where you vote and can verify whether your vote has been counted or not by yourself. But all of this is a theoretical concept. Let's see some practical real life examples. To understand this, the blockchain provides you the help to deploy your applications and websites on a decentralized blockchain. The benefit of this is that you will get unlimited bandwidth and 100% uptime and all benefits of a decentralized blockchain. Real life uses of blockchain where it is already being used other than Bitcoin. In India, the biggest use in education system where people forge mark sheets for submitting for job or any higher education, and the verification process is completely manual where chances of using forged mark sheet will improve. If I ask you to prove it, you might not have any proof apart from your certificate. So, blockchain can be used to verify the certificate and avoid forgery with the certificate with the help of blockchain. By using blockchain, university can upload the mark sheet and certificate online and it cannot be changed by anyone. This is the benefit of blockchain. The biggest benefit is that the mark sheet uploader, let's say CBSE board, can directly use blockchain to upload the mark sheet and no one can change it. And even if someone change it, you will get the details about who made what changes and where. If everyone can see the information in the blockchain and the copy of the blockchain will be present in every computer of the network, so any information you put in can be seen by anyone. So what about your privacy? Actually, the information in the blockchain is not only secure but also is privacy protected. It can be so because each computer in the network has its own private key and a public address. Think of them as the email address and email password. When you logs in your email account, you enter your email ID and password and only you can log in to your account. It is the same with Bitcoin, but when you share your email ID with others, you share your public address, not your private key. And this public address is random combination of numbers and digits. So if you vote for some candidate using public key address through the blockchain system, then even your name will be private. The other computer on the network will see that this public address has voted for the candidate, but who the person is behind the public address, their name, age, address, nothing will be revealed. Privacy will be maintained with the help of blockchain.